Hi friends, in this video you will see 6 key combinations of the Fire TV Stick remote that let you unlock hidden features to ease and enhance your viewing experience. So follow me through the video to find out about it. The first key combination will restart your Fire TV Stick. If your Fire Stick stops responding, you can restart it by unplugging it from the power source, which will require you to go to the power source. But you can do it without getting up from your seat by using your remote. To do so, press and hold the Select plus Play button for 10 seconds and your Fire TV Stick will restart. The second key combination will help you to access the hidden display resolution and refresh rate. In a Fire TV Stick, you have the option to switch between many resolution and refresh rate combinations. To do so, press and hold the up navigation plus rewind button on the Fire Stick remote for about 5 to 10 seconds, and the display will show the current resolution. Then it will cycle between all the available resolutions and refresh rate combinations that your TV supports. With this feature, you can drop down to 480p if you want, which is useful if you're connecting to an old TV or tiny display. It also allows you to select different refresh rates, which might better match the content you are playing at the time. The third key will help you to quickly access the system menu. Long pressing the home button on the remote opens the quick settings, where you can access your profile, apps, sleep option, mirroring option and settings, which makes it really convenient. If you have found any of these tips useful, then before proceeding further, please do like and subscribe. The fourth key combination will enable voice view. This feature is actually for the visually impaired. To enable voice view, press and hold the back and menu buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds and voice view will be enabled. This feature will read out what is currently highlighted on the screen, which you can see here.
Live, 4, My Stop, 5 of 12. Prime Video, 6 of 12. Lion, 7 of 12. Netflix, popular movies and TV shows. Gates of Wase 4, Part 1, button.
The fifth key combination will enable screen magnifier. To enable the screen magnifier, press and hold the back and fast forward buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds and the screen magnifier will be enabled. Here you can see the screen has been magnified, and with this small yellow screen, you can see which part of the screen you are in, and accordingly with the navigation button, you can navigate to left, right, up and down. The sixth key combination will enable text banner. This feature consolidates on-screen text into a compact written banner that appears in a fixed location on the screen. This feature is actually for those with a narrow field of vision, but I find this feature helpful as it enables me to easily read about a movie or show. To enable or disable the text banner, press and hold the rewind and fast forward buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds, after which it will show the tutorial of text banner. To exit the tutorial, click the back button. Here you can see that whatever is highlighted, its text will show in this white box, which you can easily read. From it, I can easily find out that this movie named Lucifer is a Tamil movie with an IMDb rating of 7.5, and the movie was released in 2019. Here you can also get to know a little bit about the movie, and if you see a little forward sign, pressing the forward button in your remote will show further details. After it, if you press the rewind button, you will go to the earlier text. If you feel the movie is worth watching, then you can watch it or add to your watch list by pressing the menu button, which will reveal a menu like this in the right side, then add select to watch list to add the movie to watch it later. To disable the enable text banner, press and hold the back and fast forward button simultaneously for about 5 seconds. Hope this video proved helpful to you. If so, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel.